I just got done doing a video about sucking a penis. BBC, big black cucumber. About how I got ready for the day for the first time in a long time. But I didn't tell you where I got my clothes from. Okay. God damn. You're done. You're done. My shoes are from your dad's house. My shoes are from Amazon. My socks are from, like, this is where stuff gets. Socks that you can't see are black. BBC. Big black cucumber. They're from Gap. My shirt is from Fashion Nova. And yes, I'm sleeping in this tonight. Because for some reason, I'm going to the dog park. I've never looked better going to the dog park, okay? My dogs are usually in dresses. Not today! It's a dog. It's a plane. It's a weenie. Last night. And the skirt is from Shein. And yes, save a horse, ride a cowboy, stupid. Oh, yeehaw!